The storm has already caused widespread damage across the Caribbean, particularly Puerto Rico, pictured the east coast of the United States, is braced for treacherous conditions from Hurricane Maria this week. High winds and strong waves are expected from the storm, which is predicted to brush several states, particularly North Carolina, on Wednesday. While the storm has lost power since it left the Caribbean and is now at Category 1, the state is poised to take the worst of its current 90 mph winds. Individuals in the states which could be affected have been warned of potentially dangerous weather conditions, like riptides, and the storm is being monitored carefully to track its approaches. While it won't make proper landfall, Maria is the third hurricane to affect the United States in recent weeks, after Harvey and Irma. Maria has caused widespread damage in the Caribbean, hitting several areas already affected by Hurricane Irma, like Haiti. The conditions in Puerto Rico, which was directly hit, have been described as apocalyptic by officials in the aftermath of the hurricane.